crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for dropping in this morning because it is time to talk about our upcoming Holiday Quilting Bee. Can you all believe, guys, we're almost in the last or next to the last month of 2025. I have no idea where this year has gone. It keeps going faster and faster. And I realize I'm a little late in giving you all notice. It's less than 30 days until we do our Holiday Quilting Bee. So I wanted to make sure I got this posted for you this morning, that you are informed and ready to go. So our next Holiday Quilting Bee is Veterans Day, November 11th. It will be 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Arizona time. And we will be working on the pattern Unfurled by Trisha Lynn Maloney. Yes, Trisha Lynn Maloney from Villa Rosa Designs. So I will put the link below. If you don't have this one already, I also have the link below that you can jump over to Villa Rosa. It does have both a digital download and you can get the card. I prefer the card. I'm too old. I've done the digital and then end up later ordering the card because I just like having my cards. But whatever makes sense for you all. At the end of the day, this is basically a table runner that's 11 inches by 58 inches is how it finishes out. You can see, obviously, it's got red, white, and blue as the fabric choices. There's really 4 fabric choices here because the side sashing and the binding they did in a little bit more fireworks type. I am doing something similar, but I'm kind of doing mine reverse, right? So I think actually what I'm going to end up using on this is a white grunge. I haven't quite decided yet. I've got to get that out and take a look at it. But for the red, I did buy this red. And I really like the idea that it's got, it almost feels weathered to me, like this flag has been through something. I could not find exactly what I wanted for the blue for the star. So I ended up going with the reverse. So mine will actually have the white background with the blue stars. I could not find anything close to what this one was. So I'm taking a little leeway there and making it John's. I know you all got to be surprised. And then because I'm doing that, I ended up going with this border. I think will be really cool around it as far as the sashing and that, where you see it here. So that is what I am using. So I think these colors together are really going to turn out a cool table runner. In fact, I may do more than one, but we'll see. I'll probably cut enough to do 2. Just to see, but I really do think this is cool. I don't typically have a lot of patriotic fabrics. I tend to buy what I need when I need it. And so that's why I had to run to the store, and this was the best I could get. I actually ran to the store on Sunday to get this so I could get this posted early because I know I'm behind. And guess what? I stayed behind. So it is what it is, guys. But as always, you'll be with me for 3 hours. If you want to sew along together on this, that is amazing. If you want to bring your own projects and work on your own projects, I hope to have a very active chat. We always seem to. At the moment, I don't have a guest planned and probably will not have a guest, so you'll have to listen to me rattle on for 3 hours. But the cool thing is we will have prizes and that every 30 minutes. I'll have some cool things to give away. And so if you can put up with me for that time, you may be able to win a few prizes and walk away with some cool things. The only thing I ask is if you are in the continental United States, we will be sending out the prizes. If you're overseas, outside of the continental U.S., we will be giving you a Amazon gift card instead, just because shipping and that's gotten so crazy, especially trying to deal with international. I just don't have the bandwidth to do it. But I want everyone and all of my subscribers to be part of it. I want you to feel welcome. It's always been exciting. I love seeing and hearing what you all work on. Hopefully you can post some things in the Facebook channel and we can see what projects are going on. I love our veterans. My son serves in the Air Force. We need to support the men and women that keep our country safe and keep our country free. they go through a lot. It's just amazing what they tolerate and do for us, and don't really ask for much in return. So I hope to see each and every one of you November 11th, 7 a.m. Arizona time, Veterans Day, Holiday Quilting Bee. Tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone else that will listen to please join us. Hopefully they'll become subscribers because they like what we're doing. And guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting.